Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our fourth unit, Societal Impacts. In previous class, we discussed about the cybercrime. Now it's the time for discussing about cyber law. Cyber law is a very broad term that deals with the internet, cyberspace, and their respective legal issues. Cyber law covers broad area including freedom of expression, access to and usage of the internet, and online privacy. Generally, cyber law is known as law of internet. Importance of cyber law. It covers all transactions over the internet. It keeps eye on all activities over internet. It touches every action and every reaction in cyberspace. Now we can discuss about hacking. Hacking is identifying weakness in a computer system or networks to exploit its weakness to gain access. Or we can say that hacking is the gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or computer. An example of hacking is using password cracking algorithm to gain access to a system. Computers have become mandatory to run successful business. It is not enough to have isolated computer systems. They need to be networked to communicate with the external business. This exposes them to the outside world and hacking. Hacking means using computers to commit fraudulent acts such as fraud, privacy attack, stealing corporate or personal data, etc. Phishing. It's an attempt to capture a user's login password and credit card details by including a URL in a spam email that links to a fake website controlled by the attacker as a trustworthy entity. Cyberbullying. It is a harassment or bullying executed through digital devices like computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The platforms where cyberbullying can occur include social media, chat rooms, and gaming platforms where people can view and participate in sharing of content. The different types of cyberbullying involve causing humiliation through hateful comments on online platforms or apps or through SMS or messaging. It comprises posting, sending or sharing negative, nasty or false information about another individual for causing humiliation and character assassination. Indian IT Act 2000. Information Technology Act 2000 ITA 2000/IT Act is an act of Indian Parliament notified on 17th October 2000. This primary law deals with cyber crimes and electronic commerce in India. It consists of 94 sections that are divided into 13 chapters and 4 schedules. A person of other nationalities can also be indicated under the law if the crime involves a computer or network located in India, which means the law applies to the whole of India. The IT Act 2000 has provisions that permits interception, monitoring of traffic data, etc. The cyber laws in India and the provision for legal action and punishment has been explained. Here are some sections: offence and penalty. IT Act 2000 Amendment. A major amendment was in 2008. It introduced Section 69, which gave authorities the power of interception, monitoring, decryption of any information through any computer resource. It also included 66A, which penalized sending of offensive messages. Amendments also contain penalties for child pornography, cyber terrorism, etc. The Act was passed in December 2008 and came into force in 2009 December. These are the assignment questions for you. Please write these questions and answers in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.